I'm Neely, and in this video, we're going to compare two options for building your website. GoDaddy has an easy to use drag and drop website builder for those just getting started, or a hosted managed WordPress option, which is more customizable for those of you with those tech skills. Let's start with GoDaddy's website builder. This is an online editing and publishing tool that helps you create a website regardless of your technical skill level. All you have to do is create an account, pick a design, and use the built-in editor to add your own images and text. You can even add a full online store with images of your products, a shopping cart, and online payment options. We've recently added a new feature that allows you to connect your website to social media, email marketing tools, a free image library, and so much more. Now, I know it's a pretty sweet deal, but the downside to using a website builder is what you see is what you get, which isn't necessarily a bad thing because it's easy to use and you don't have to pay someone to build and update your site. But if you want custom colors, fonts, and designs that aren't pre-built into the website builder, then it may not be the right option for you. If you want something that is more robust, you may want to consider GoDaddy's Managed WordPress. WordPress can be a little overwhelming, but it does give you a lot more flexibility due to WordPress plugins. Plugins are basically add-ons for your site. Think things like adding contact forms, booking appointments, adding an online store, and so much more. If you have an idea to build something, there's probably a plugin for that. The decision to use WordPress or a website builder really depends on what you're looking for and your technical skills, or patience. Think about the following questions and do your research. What type of website are you building? What features do you need? What resources are available to you? And what do you want your website to look like? No matter which way you go, we've got you covered.